This is the African American Parenting Program, which is a part of the Department of Family Services Parenting Education Program. We actually have a class at the Gum Springs Community Center once a year, and Gum Springs being one of the oldest African American communities in Fairfax County, this is actually a very exciting opportunity for families, because we are going to get a tour of the history of our culture in the county of Fairfax and have some discussion about what that has meant in terms of how we have developed as a people in this area. This class is a free class offered to any county resident that would like to participate. This class has an African American cultural focus, which gives a venue for parents who are raising African American children to discuss the unique issues related to raising a black child in Fairfax County.
It allows discussion, a little bit deeper discussion, to talk about some of the things that we can do with our children. It allows them opportunity to do a little bit more in-depth thinking about, hey, let me take care of myself first, and then look to see how I can condition my child in the direction I want them to go in.
The way our program is structured, we provide free child care and free dinner, and one of the purposes of dinner is to really sit down kind of as a family.
It's just a wonderful way to be connected in the community as well as with your family.
You can contact me at 703-324-3617, or you can call Calvin Robertson at 703-324-7144, or look us up on the website at fairfaxcounty.gov/DFS.